Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft and OneDrive account tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem of storage full in your Microsoft account or OneDrive account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Windows PC, and you want to make sure you come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, right click on the start menu on the window icon right here. Then you want to make sure you look for settings right here. Then from home tab right here, next thing you want to do to scroll down from the sidebar right here, you want to make sure you navigate to accounts. Then under the accounts, you want to make sure you come to this sidebar right here where you have cloud storage. Click on cloud storage. Then here you go. Just go ahead. You can see the cloud storage indication is going to be shown right here. You have OneDrive and you have Outlook attachment. So what you need to do right here is that if it is a OneDrive that consumes much storage space on your PC or on your Microsoft account, go ahead and click on OneDrive, and it's going to reload and redirect you to data information in your OneDrive. Just like what you see right here, allow everything to load up. Now you have your managed storage summary about. So here we have for OneDrive, we have for Outlook. So each of the color right here represents how Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft OneDrive are consuming your storage space. So if you take a look at this blue right here, this stands for Microsoft Outlook attachment, and this red here, this pink here stands for OneDrive consume storage space. So what we want to do here is to select any of the storage you want to clear off. I'm going to start with OneDrive right here. So here we go. You'll see all the files that you have in your OneDrive, just like so, be it image, large file, as the case may be. All you have to do is to select as many as possible files that you would like to delete from the sections right here and get them deleted to free up more storage space in your OneDrive. Like for instance, I can decide to delete this particular MS Word file, select on the file and go ahead and click on delete right here, and then delete, go ahead and click on delete. One item deleted. You can delete as many as possible files. After you delete one after the other, navigate to recycle right here, because the file is going to be found in recycle right here. The one we just deleted is found right here. Select on it again, and then go ahead and click on delete and click on delete again. Boom, you are completely deleted that. You can go back to my file again and select as many as possible different kind of file folders, images, as the case may be, that consume more storage space in your OneDrive and clear them off. It's that simple. You can do the same way with your Microsoft Outlook. Some of large mail, large attachments, you can remove them as the case may be. So for that, we just want to make sure we go back till we get to Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive right here. Then we want to make sure we navigate to Outlook attachments. So just like so, we have all the mails in Outlook right here. So if you have any large attachment mail, you just want to make sure you delete as many as possible as the case may be. Like for instance, I can decide to select on this and hit on delete, and just like so, it has been deleted. Then once we delete there, we want to make sure we look for our deleted items right here. On getting to our deleted items, so we have it right here, select on it again, and go ahead and do the permanent deletion. Then do you want to permanently delete this conversation, hit on OK, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Microsoft account and OneDrive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.